Tunenge sent a flashlight over to the channel. This is the T21X. It's a very unique flashlight. I think you're going to enjoy this one. Inside the box, you're going to find the flashlight. You're going to find a user manual, a USB A to C charging cable, and you're going to find some head mounting gear because this flashlight can also be mounted to your head. The flashlight itself is very small. It has a little bit of weight to it. It is an aluminum alloy of some type. It does have a stainless steel double facing clip. It also has a standard rechargeable lithium ion battery. This particular one is a 14500. It is the same size as a AA battery, but it is 3.7 volts because it is lithium. However, you can use a standard AA battery in this flashlight with some limitations. We'll talk about that in a little bit. The head does rotate into a 45 degree. That way, if you have it strapped to your forehead or you want to clip it onto a shirt pocket, well, you can rotate the head. But if you want to use it like a standard flashlight, well, you can do that as well. There is a USB A charging port built into the flashlight. On the other side, you're going to find the power button with an indicator light in the center. The flashlight does have a magnetic base. The head strap bracket is very simple. Basically, you clip the flashlight into place. It's firm enough to hold it without it spinning freely. There's a lot of friction here. And of course, you can adjust the head as needed. The head strap is stretchy, it is also adjustable, and I have had it on my head so it fits a big noggin like mine. And because of the way it's actually designed, your forehead takes the brunt of the fabric so it doesn't feel really bad or really bulky, and it's light enough that it just doesn't feel like it's too heavy on your forehead. Operation is pretty simple. You just press the power button one time to turn the flashlight on. Right now the flashlight is operating in low mode. If you hold that button down, it'll cycle through the brightnesses, and we just went to medium and now we are on high. A double tap gives us turbo mode. If you want moonlight mode, when the flashlight is off, just press and hold the button, and that is moonlight mode. Moonlight mode is only 3 lumens, but it will last 168 hours on a fully charged battery. There are 2 different strobe modes, and as I mentioned earlier, if you use a standard AA battery, the flashlight will operate as normal. You just cannot get it into turbo mode. You need the rechargeable lithium battery to be able to turn on turbo mode. Other than that, the flashlight seemed perfectly normal by what I could tell. It operated just fine on a AA battery, which is awesome. In case you're wondering how long the flashlight will last in each mode of operation, I will put a chart on the screen. And if you notice, the chart also gives you the throw distance, and in turbo mode it is 1400 lumens. It'll last 4 hours. That's pretty incredible for a flashlight this size. We are in my backyard, and I'm going to turn the flashlight on in turbo mode, and as you can see, the throw is incredible. This flashlight is putting out a whole lot of light for a very small flashlight. It's doing really well, and right now I have it mounted on my forehead, and as you can see, you would definitely be able to use this as a work light. Now the light right now is in high, it's not in turbo, and you can see we're lighting up our work area without any issues at all. So what are my final thoughts of the T21X? Well, you know what, this is one of those flashlights that I truly appreciate. I love the fact that I can put a AA battery in it. If you were out and about and you had an emergency where you could not charge the internal battery, well, that would be your answer. And the amount of light this outputs is quite impressive. If you're interested in this flashlight, I will put a link down below. If you like these types of videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. Take a look at some of my other videos. At the very least, you might be entertained.